welcome to online classes GKRB. Today we start our video sessions. Today we discuss about the fractions. Today we learn chapter 7, that the topic is what? Fraction. In before class we already know about the fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole number. That means every whole number can represent as a fraction. Now topic is what? Fraction. Today we discuss about the fraction. Okay. Fraction, before classes you discuss, that means you know in class 5 what is fraction. Fraction is a part of whole numbers. Okay, fraction is part of a whole number. Fraction is a part of a whole number. That means part of a whole number. How part of a whole number? If we take an example, suppose 1/3. Okay, that is a whole. Whole means what? Whole means 1. Okay, we divide into 4 parts. 4 parts, and 1 part is shaded. If in total whole part is here, how 4 parts. And how many part is shaded? 1 part. And it is written as what? 1/4. That means 1 out of 4. It is the fraction. What? Fraction is represented like this. Here the fraction is a whole parts. Okay. Now then it's known as what? Numerator. And it is known as denominator. Okay. Fractions. Then what is fractions? We know, and we can represent the fractions words in a figure, in a fraction. It is represented as a fraction. That means 1/4. Denominator and which denominator and numerator. Suppose we take another example like here. Okay, whole part is here. Whole part is how much? Whole part is count here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means whole part is 6. And how many parts is shaded? 4 parts is shaded. That means 4/6. It is also over 4 parts. We divide any things in it and give the others. Suppose it is a bread, then it's divided in how many parts? 6 parts, and 4 parts will given to your friends. So it is right here 4/6. Okay, clear about it? What is fractions? Now we discuss about the what? Now we discuss about the kinds of fractions. Kinds of fractions. What are the kinds of fractions? Now we discuss kinds of fractions. Okay, already you know how many kinds of fractions is there. Now tell me, the kinds of fractions are mainly 3. Okay, we discuss the three types of kinds of fractions. Kinds of fraction. Now we discuss about the kind of fraction. How many kind of fraction is there? Kind of fraction. There are 3 kinds of fractions. What are the 3 kinds of fractions? Proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. What is called proper fraction? Proper fraction means the fractions having denominator is greater than numerator is called proper fraction. That means always denominator is greater than what? Numerators. Now, then kinds of fraction. First one is proper fraction. Proper, improper, mixed. Mixed fraction and mixed fraction. Okay. How many kinds of fractions? Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Now we discuss one by one the fractions. First we discuss which one? Proper fraction. What is called proper fraction? What is called proper fractions? I told you, proper fractions means the fraction having denominator is greater than numerator. That means denominator is greater than numerator, which called proper fraction. Here, fraction having denominator is greater than numerator. Denominator is greater than numerator. That means how are the examples? 6 by 8. Here denominator is 8, numerator is 6. Which is greater? Denominator is greater than numerator. That's why the fraction is called proper fraction. Another example is 2 by 4, 8 by 20, 9 by 13. These are the examples of what? Proper fractions. Proper fractions have always denominator is greater than numerator. Just opposite of proper fraction is called improper fraction. That means what happened? The fraction having denominator is less than numerator, then that is called what? Improper fractions. Now we take an example of improper fraction. What is improper fraction? Now we discuss about the improper fraction. Okay, what is improper fraction? Proper fraction means what? The fraction having, okay? A fraction having numerator is denominator is less than numerator. That means a fraction having denominator is less than numerator. Numerator, see. What are the examples? 6 by 5, 9 by 7, 130 by 87. Here C. What we observe here? Here C. Denominator 5, numerator is great 6. Denominator is what? 7. Numerator is 9. Denominator is 7. Numerator is what? 130. That means in all these fractions, what we observe here? We observe here the denominators are what? Always what? Smaller than the numerator. Okay? Now discuss about the another fractions. Then here we observe what? The denominator is always what? Smaller than numerator. Then that fraction is called improper fractions. Now we discuss about the what? Mixed fraction. The third one is what? Mixed fraction. Now we discuss about the mixed fraction. Okay? Mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? A fraction having whole number with proper fraction. Whole number with proper fractions is called what? Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. What is called mixed fraction? The fraction having whole number with what? Whole number with proper fraction. They already know about what is proper fraction. The fraction having denominator. What? Denominator is always what? Greater than numerator. That is what? Proper fraction. And whole number means already I told you. Fraction is a whole number of parts. Then let the example. What are the examples? 1 whole 2 by 3. Or we can read it 1 whole 2 upon 3. Okay? 5 whole 6 upon 9, 13 whole 16 upon 19. See here, 1 is a whole number, 5 is also whole number, 13 is also whole number. And 2 by 3 is a proper fraction, 6 by 9 is also proper fraction, 16 by 19 is also proper fraction. That means first we learn here mixed fractions means whole number with proper fraction is called mixed fractions. All of you understood properly? What are the fractions? Kinds of fractions? In a what proper fractions? What are the proper fractions? Improper fractions, mixed fractions. Now we learn conversion. Mixed fraction to improper fraction to mixed fraction. How we convert the fractions? Okay. See. Now we learn about the what? Conversion of fraction. Now we discuss about the conversion of fractions. What are the conversion? Conversion means what? We can convert mixed to improper to mixed. Okay. Now see. conversion of fractions. First we discuss conversion of fractions first, mixed fraction to improper fraction. First, mixed into improper. Okay, mixed into improper. How to convert mixed fraction into improper fractions? Okay, so examples here: 6 3 by 6 whole 3 by 4. Okay, 2 whole 4 by 5. Here both are what? Mixed fraction. How I convert? See here, 6 whole 3 by 4. That means what is the process is there? Denominator is multiplied with whole number. Denominator is multiplied with whole number. That means 4 into 6. The product of denominator and whole number is added by numerator. Added by numerator by first denominator by denominator. Okay, denominator is there. Then 4 6 are what? 4 6 are what? 24. 24 plus 8 by 4 equal to what? 27 by 4. Here this improper fraction. How it converts, you know? What are the rule of converts? That means if we write in a words, that means what? Product. That means what? Product of whole number and denominators. Okay. Product of whole number and denominator we did numerator, okay, by denominator. We can use the process. Product of whole means first the two numbers multiply. Also we can write it slowly first whole number into denominator. If you write shortly, whole into denominator shortly plus numerator by denominator. You can write shortly. Okay, you can write easily. Also you can follow the process and find the answer, and you can easily convert. Next we convert this one easily. Do directly convert. First convert 5 to the 10 plus 4 equal to 14. 14 by 5 equal to 14 by 5. You can easily convert. Clear? How we convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. Now we learn another word. Improper into mix. How we convert improper into mix? Okay. How to convert improper into mix? See the word. We can easily convert improper into mix. Improper into mix. Here, we take an example. Okay. 7 by 3. 16 by 5. See how you do in a solution. First we have 7 by 3 is what? 7 divided by 3. That means what? 7 divided by 3. Okay, 7 divided by 3 is there. 3 to the 6. That means what? There is remainder. Okay. Here quotient. Here dividend. Divisor. Here dividend. Okay. Then we got all these things by dividing. Quotient is there, remainder is there, divisor. Okay. Divisor is there, dividend is here. Then how we write into mixed fraction improper? That means always quotient is whole number. That means quotient by what? Divisor by what? Sorry. Here not divisors, here remainder. Okay? Remainder by divisor. Then what is the answer is here? That means if we change it to the answer is 2 whole 1 by 3. 2 whole 1 by 3. Then always remainder is written as denominator. Okay, remainder is written as denominator This one is denominator. Okay. Keep in your minds which number is written in which places. Quotient is written as a whole number, remainder is written as numerator, and the divisor is written as a denominator. You follow the process, then easily write the answer. Any improper fraction you can convert into the what? Mixed fraction. Let the answer example is what we have. See, using the process. Now 16 by 5. How you do 16 by 5? 16 by 5. That means we divide it. 16 divided by 5. 5 to the 15 is there. 5 6 minus 1 equal to 1. 1 cancel. That means 0. Here see 3 is written as a what? I told you before. 3 is written as a whole number. Here remainder is written as a what? Numerator. 5 is written as a what? Denominator. See, here it is the answer of this. Okay. How you learn it? How you convert improper into what? This. When you change 5 3 is 15. 15 plus 1 equal to 16 by 5. We got that answer. That means we can easily change into proper, into improper, improper into mixed. Now we learn what? Number line on fraction. Okay, represent fraction on number line. Already you know about the number line. What are the number lines? We can represent number lines. Okay, represent fraction on number line. Represent fraction on number line. On number line. See, a number line is two sides is there. One is positive, another is negative. Okay. Here 0, 1, 1, 2. Minus 1, minus. See. From 0 to 1, how many parts is there? We see the scales, centimeters. 1 centimeter equal to what? 1 cm. We need to take it to 1 cm. 1 cm equal to what? 10 mm. That means 10 parts is there. Then we can cut part 10 parts is there. So here also 10 parts, all have 1 parts. Then we represent 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Then we compare first 5 by 6 is lying between which number? See, 5 by 6 greater than 0. 5 by 6 is greater than 0. That means 0 is less than 5 by 6 and less than what? Less than what? 1. Less than 1. Greater than 0, less than 1. That means 1 is greater than 5 by 6. 5 by 6 is greater than what? 0. So here the number is lying between 0 and 1. The number is lying between 0 and 1. Then how many parts equally divide by 0 and 1? Here denominator is here 6. Then we divide this 0 and 1 into equally 6 part. Equally 6 part you divide. Okay. Then here 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part, 6 part. Okay. Equally we divide into 6 part. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part, 6 part. Because whole fraction is what? Whole part of a whole number. So a whole number is here 6. That's why is divided into 6 part. Denominator and the where 5. How many part 5 power is there? So 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part. Here denoted addition like P. We can represent P equal to 5 by 6. Easily we represent. How you represent number lines clearly understood. Now I give you another example. Suppose the example is what's here. 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is there. How you represent? First you convert into mixed fraction into improper fraction. Or improper fraction is there. So we change to 3 to just 6. 1 by 3. Okay. That means the number is greater than 2. Compare. This what? Greater than 2 but less than 3. Greater than 2 but less than 3. First compare. The number is lying between which numbers? Greater than 3, that means the number is lying between which number? 2 and 3. The number is lying between 2 and 3. Now we represent on number line. Okay, here we write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this part also what you can divide into equal part, equal. The distance between same distance. We take the same distance using the scale or using the compass. Okay. Now the number is lying between which numbers? 2 and 3. That means where is 2 and 3? Here then 1 whole and 2 whole. Then here 2 and 3 is here. That means we divide into 2 and 3, how many parts? Denominator is 3 parts. Then we divide it with 12 3 parts. That is 1 part, 2 part, and 3 part. Don't count from this place. You count when you divide into parts, then count from here. 1, 2, 3. If you count from here, then your answer will be wrong. Now see, what is here? 1. That means 1. It is, in right is, give the name Q equal to 2 whole 1 by 3. Clear? How we represent fraction on number lines? Now we learn another, okay? Okay, then you learn how it represents on fraction on number lines. I hope all of you to know about the fractions, what is fractions, kind of fractions, okay, and number line representing number line on fractions, and also conversion of fractions mixed into improper. We will discuss about the next lesson how you compare fractions, okay, compare a fraction and there what equivalent fractions, addition and subtraction we will discuss in our next video session on part 2. Thank you.